Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. Last week, the US dollar index climbed to around 101.13, its highest level since May 2025, as investors increased bets on further tightening after the Fed's hawkish signal. The Fed kept rates unchanged, but around half of FOMC members now expect at least one hike in 2026. Inflation forecasts were also revised higher, reflecting the impact of the Middle East conflict. WTI crude rebounded above $76 before the end of last week, but still posted a sharp weekly decline of around 8%. The drop came as investors welcomed improved shipping conditions in the Strait of Hormuz following the temporary US-Iran peace agreement. US Central Command lifted restrictions around Iranian ports. Oil prices have nearly erased all gains made since the Middle East conflict began in late February. Gold fell below $4,200 before the end of last week, giving back earlier gains as the Fed's hawkish tone outweighed the positive impact of the US-Iran peace agreement. The Fed kept rates unchanged but signaled stronger support for a potential rate hike this year. Higher borrowing costs tend to reduce the appeal of non-yielding assets such as gold. At the same time, improved shipping conditions in the Strait of Hormuz helped ease inflation concerns. Yen held above 161 before the end of last week, after pulling back from 161.81, its highest level since July 2024. Hawkish comments from the Bank of Japan and the April meeting minutes supported expectations for further rate hikes, while intervention concerns also helped limit yen weakness. Even after the Bank of Japan delivered a rate hike, the yen remained weak, raising doubts over whether short-term intervention could trigger a sustained recovery. Euro gained support last week after US President Donald Trump signed an agreement with Iran, ending a conflict that had disrupted global energy supply. The deal launched a 60-day negotiation window aimed at reaching a final peace agreement. The US military also confirmed that restrictions near Iranian ports around the Strait of Hormuz had been lifted, allowing oil flows to resume. These developments may support risk assets and the euro in the short term.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.